Alexa, volume 3. So into you. What do you say? I don't even know who this is watching right now, but I have the hiccups. So don't judge me. I do have water. I'm gonna see if well, Joe, here we are. Here we fucking are. We're here with the hiccups. The hiccups have arrived, honey. Ice water? The ice is gonna go down my throat. Like, I can't handle ice go down my throat. I will freak out, and then it's gonna be a whole thing, and it's gonna be bad. I do have water though, so maybe this will help. But this is so crazy because I used to, from like the Looney Tunes cartoons and stuff, when they would be drunk and they would be hiccuping, I'm like, that don't make you hiccup. Well, clearly I didn't know what I was talking about. Joe, I'm not arguing with ice water. Like, I don't want ice to slip down my throat. That has happened to me when I was a kid in my lifetime. I'm traumatized. I don't want to do it. Well, TT, if I hold my breath, I'm probably going to pass out on camera, and then who's going to call 911? I'm just going to drink some water. I'll be fine. I'll drink the water, and this should get the hiccups gone. Well, I don't want to pass out. I'm grateful that you would call 911, but I don't want to pass out. Like, I've never passed out before. That's scary. I hiccuped while I was drinking the water. What the fuck sense did that make? I'm not drinking ice water. I'll put the water in the freezer. I'll put the water in the freezer, but I'm not drinking iced water. Vinegar? You trying to throw my pH off? Get off Google. Because this ain't it. I'm just going to drink some more water. I hiccuped while I was trying to swallow the water. I almost drowned. I don't know if anybody has ever drowned from drinking a bottle of water, but I almost just did it. Remember SpongeBob? Remember SpongeBob pretended the wave killed him so he could still do his ripped pants joke? I'm fucking this up so bad. I'm fucking this up so bad. Granulated sugar? Sugar water? I ain't never drank sugar water as a kid. I don't. Try the sugar, wait 15 minutes, and then try the vinegar. I'm not trying vinegar. Vinegar is an acid. And I already got to take pills for my acid. I can't do that. I got old people ailments. It's all right. We're just gonna finish drinking the water, and it'll go away once I'm no longer parched. It's just the fact that I keep hiccuping while I'm drinking the water. That's the fucking craziest thing ever. Oh, plugged my ear up. Tyreek is watching. My brother. Hell you at? Yo. It is physical. Google says put your knees to your chest and then lean forward. You know what? Let me try it. How do you put your knees to your chest and move forward? Hold on. My knees are to my chest and I'm supposed to lean forward. I'm going to fucking roll off the chair. Okay. Wait, did it say how long? It didn't say how long, and I hiccuped while I was doing it. That didn't work. It didn't work. Yes, I'm holding my knee. I was like in a cannonball position. It's just, I'm a lost cause. My hiccups will stop when they want to stop. That's it. My chest hurt a little bit because that was a hard one. Like, to have to hiccup and burp, that's a lot. Don't fucking come over and fucking scare me. No. I still gotta go to sleep. It's just gonna, remember this used to happen to me a lot during the pandemic. It was bad. I had to let it run its course because nothing helped. Thank God I don't have like, oh, Dior scared the shit out of me. I forgot I had a dog. Thank goodness I don't have like a public speaking engagement. This is why I would rather smoke weed than drink, because I don't have these problems at all. Weed ain't never made me have the hiccups. This is ridiculous. I done posted that cute ass picture of me, and now I'm sitting here with a puff ball and unwashed hair, a sweatshirt, glasses, and I got the fucking hiccups. Flaws and all. That's what it is. These are my flaws. I'm not perfect. No one's perfect. This hurt. What the hell are you doing? Get your ass out my curtain. Shit, I can't even be serious and holler at the dog. Get your, go to bed. Go to bed.
Everyone else took her off the train, and now she's about to get way back in the bed.
Yeah, because she was in here playing in the curtains.
She weird, bro. She'll be in here by herself.
Well, that was fun to her, I'm sure.
I think can't nobody see her, but she can see everybody.
Yeah, but I've been drinking. I forgot. I had a dog. She was in the curtains. She scared the shit out of me. All right. I'm about to try to figure out these hiccups. And then maybe I'll be back tomorrow. I'm not really too sure. Maybe after I wash my hair, because I can't be... Y'all have seen me like this all weekend. And then today. So, I gotta wash my hair. I still got my edges, though. Girl, because I got the hiccups real bad. It's like I got Tourette's, but it's not Tourette's because I'm not saying nothing. It's like, it looked like ticks or something, but it's the fucking hiccups. I gotta go, y'all. I gotta go. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow.